for Windows 11, and you type the driver down, and please wait. I am search the official website for the App Store. I am like download for the official website the driver first download and not a file driver, and click here appstore.com. This one. Okay, this here the driver, and this white detect automatic for the Windows. If you need install this printer for the Wi-Fi or not, I am not looking the printer here. Okay, this here the Mac. What? I am not this Mac 11. Okay, this here the Windows 11 is like you click here. Here Windows 11 and Windows 8 detect for the Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows Server for the Mac 12 and Mac 11 driver for the App Store. This here the Linux driver. You click here for the Windows 11. Click button go. Please wait loading again. Okay, this here the for the package combo package installation. Click here. This here the for the printer and the apps on software update for the this note description for the your install for connect the internet. This here compatible for the Windows 11. If you need install driver only, click here. Okay, this here driver print only, and this here utilities. This here driver not scanner, not scanner. And if you need to install remote for the Wi-Fi, click here. This here Wi-Fi only, Wi-Fi print only, and this here Wi-Fi or internet. This here the connect the Wi-Fi printer and laptop connect the Wi-Fi, and click here for the utilities. This here the software update for the apps on connect print setup utilities, and this here the firmware for the recovery mode firmware. And this video I am need download driver for the Windows 11. This here the same package for the here and same for the here. This video you need download driver Windows 11. Click here. Click this like the system Windows 11. Click here. If you this if you need it select the up to you select the system operation. This click here, click download here. Please wait the driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the USB printer for the you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC detect the USB printer. Your please wait finish download, and you click run as driver. the driver detect automatic for the cable printer. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, uh, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi and your see the IP driver printer. Your search you run as driver. You search the IP driver. This laptop or PC the same Wi-Fi. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. Share my video. Support my channel. And if you need a question, comment below. If you need link download, comment below description. Thank you for watching.